Do you have a classic car that needs some repairs, like your windows, or maybe it's not so classic as it is comfortable? Well, we have the perfect guy for you. This is Randy Parsons. He is the owner of Phoenix Power Window Repair, and he is mobile. I love that about your business.
Thank you.
How did you start this company?
Well, I was upset one day. I had an Acura. The back window dropped on me, and I took it to the dealership, and it was like $600. Not even a week later, my other side went out. I'm like, I'm not going to spend another $600. I'm going to fix this myself.
You're going to fix it yourself.
So when I was outside fixing it, one neighbor saw me, another neighbor saw me. I was like, wait a minute, this is a good niche.
Okay.
I'll turn it into a niche, and a business. And it started working. We started slow, word of mouth. And everybody loved the concept of the mobile service, and it just picked up from there.
And then there you go. Now you have this incredible company, and people are being able to fix their windows. Yes. And I want to start with this because this is called the regulator. You were giving me a little one-on-one on this. So what does the regulator do?
Well, you got the motor and you got the regulator. And what the regulator does, it moves your glass up and down. So what usually happens, the plastic piece breaks inside and your window will fall down to the ground. It'll fall inside your door. And then you'll be trying to lift it up and nothing happens, and it's your regulator that's broke. So usually you just call us out and we'll come out and fix it.
So that's what commonly breaks?
Yes, what usually breaks is the regulator, or sometimes the cables, the plastic pieces that they make inside, they're not durable because of this weather that we're in Arizona. It gets hot and cold. One day it's 100 degrees, next day it's 70 degrees.
So it just over time, the wear and tear of that, and you figured it out. You figured out how to fix it. And you talked about it being mobile. I know people, we're busy. We don't have time for this. So what do customers share with you in regards to that?
Well, what they like about the mobile service, you can be at home or you can be at work. So we can come out and fix your window within 45 minutes. We're not taking any time away from you. You're not dropping your car off at a dealership or auto repair shop, and you're knocking it out in an hour, and everybody just loves the concept.
I do. I think that's really cool. And especially when you're at work, you're like, okay, when I get back in the vehicle, especially as we get into the summer months, we want those windows to work.
Yes.
Oftentimes, and you were one of those, you take it to your dealer. That's just common. Why should they call you instead?
Well, a dealership, like I said, costs you a lot of money. We're efficient, and we save you about 40 to 70%. Plus we're mobile. The time, that's all we need is time. We don't have time to take the cars to the dealership. Here we got a mobile service that comes out to you, and it just works out really good.
And when it doesn't work, I know you know this, we think it's the actual glass. We think it's the actual window. How do we know the difference?
Well, a lot of times people, when they see their glass fall down into the door, they think they busted their glass, and they'll call a glass company and they come out and say, no, it's your window regulator, and they don't do it. So then they got to try to find either a dealership, auto repair shop, and then they find us. And then they find us, they're like, wow, you're a mobile service, come to me?
What about insurance? Will you help us with that?
Well, most of the time insurance companies don't cover the window regulators. They'll cover the glass, but not the regulators. Just depends. Some do, some don't, but most of the time the insurance company doesn't cover it.
But I tell you what, when we write that check because of convenience, it pays for itself. Well, congratulations to you. You've been around for a long time, so I know this is something that is definitely catching on, and we certainly don't want to be spending entire day working on our window. Let's give you some information. You can give Phoenix Power Window Repair a call at 480-620-2006, the website, phoenixpowerwindowrepair.com, and give us that slogan.
Can't get it up? We can fix that.
Thank you so much.